Now we have studied that names of anything is a noun. It's called a noun. Nouns are naming words. It can be names of persons. It can be names of animals. It can be names of places. It can be names of things. So, it can be name of any person like boy, girl, man, woman. It can be name of a place like a country. Your country is India, so country. It can be name of a thing, paper, pen. It can be name of an animal. Any animal like cat, dog, goat, any animal. It can be the name of the days of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all these are nouns. It can be names of months or years, January, February, March, April. So all these are also nouns. It can be names of your body parts. You studied that. Head, eyes, ears, nose, all these tell you the names of something. So naming words are called nouns. Now today we'll do different kinds of nouns. What are the different types of nouns? There are two types of nouns. One is a common noun. Common noun is like generally if you say man, it can be any man. You can say a girl, a boy. So all these are common nouns. Any animal, anything, any place. If you say country, town, these are the common names given. So when I say girl, it can be any girl. It does not say the name of the girl. But when I say the name of the girl, that becomes a proper noun. Proper noun means proper name. It is a proper noun. So if you are a girl, the girl is a common noun. Anybody can be a girl. But if I say Sheila, Sheila is the name of the girl. So this becomes a proper noun. So can a place have a proper noun? Yes. If I say country, then it is a common noun. It can be any country. You know the names of countries? It can be India, it can be England, it can be America, it can be Dubai, any country. But when I say the name India, England, America, these becomes proper nouns. Country can be common noun, any country. If I say city, city can be any city. It can be, now when I say Pune, Pune is a proper noun because it's a name of that city. But if I say city, it's a common noun. Now when I say 1 month, it is a common noun. But when I say January, February, March, then it is the name of that month. So it is a proper noun. Now animals are all common nouns, but if you have a pet and you call it Tommy, or if you have a cat and you call it Kitty, so Kitty, Tommy, they become proper nouns. Common nouns, dog, cat, goat, camel. So unless you give it a name, animals are all common nouns. Then if I say river, it is a common noun. It can be any river. But when I say Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, these are the names of rivers. So then it becomes a proper noun. When I say day, it can be any day. But Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, these are proper nouns. When I say festival, it can be any festival. But Diwali, Holi, Christmas, they are proper nouns. I say planet. Do you know the names of planets? Now it can be any planet. But when I say Mars, when I say Earth, when I say Moon, then it is a proper noun. So, what is the difference? Difference is that common noun is common to anybody or anything. But proper noun is the name of that particular place or animal or thing or month, a particular one. So proper nouns always start with a capital letter. But common nouns, they start with a small letter. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Now, your name, you start with a capital letter because it is a proper noun. Okay? So, now we will read this little paragraph and then you say which are the nouns and which is a common noun and which is a proper noun. So, when you read the paragraph, Pia gets into the train at Surat. Now, Pia is a girl. The name of the girl, so Pia is a proper noun. Gets into the train. Now, train is the name of a transport. But it is not Mr. Train. It is not Miss Train. We don't name the train. So that is why train is a common noun. At Surat. Surat is the name of the city. So it is a proper noun. Okay. She has a pet dog, Tommy. Now, dog is a common noun, but Tommy is a proper noun because the name of the dog is Tommy. She has her pet dog, Tommy, with her. It is a cute small dog. So, dog is a common noun. The dog is sitting in her lap. Where is the dog sitting? Lap. She places her bag. What does she place? Bag. Bag is the name of a thing. On a seat. Name of a thing. Now, things don't have proper nouns because it cannot be Mr. Table, Mr. Chair. So, all things are common nouns. She sits by the window. Window is a common noun. Her friend. Friend is a common noun because there is no name, but her friend who? Penny. So, Penny is the proper noun because the name of her friend is Penny. Is on the platform. Platform is the name of a place, but it is a common noun. Pia and Penny are talking. So, Pia and Penny are proper nouns. Then the train starts to move. So, train, common noun. Pia waves to Penny. So, Pia and Penny, proper noun. The train leaves the station. So, train, common noun, and name of place is station. So, station, common noun, because station can be any station. The actual name of the station is not given. The train stops at Ahmedabad. So, Ahmedabad is the name of a city. So, it is a proper noun. Pia gets down. Tommy jumps down and runs away. Pia shouts for help. So, the proper nouns now you have to put in capital letters. So, what will you do? You will copy this paragraph into your notebook. But remember, all the proper nouns start with a capital. So, which are the proper nouns? Pia, Surat, Tommy. Then, after that, in the next line, there is no proper noun. In the third line, Penny. Again, Pia, Penny. Again, Pia. Then the fourth line, Penny. Then after that, Pia. And in between, before Pia was Ahmedabad. Then Pia. And the last word, Tommy. And then in the last line, Pia. So, all these words which are proper nouns, you have to start with a capital letter. Now we did two types of nouns, proper noun and common noun. Proper noun with a capital letter, common noun with a small letter. Now sometimes we see two names together. When two names are said together, then they are called compound nouns. Compound nouns are two names together. Like snow is the name of a thing and man is the name of a person. But when you say, I made a snowman, so snowman is a compound noun. Now in this, the two words combined become one word. They are combined together, snow and man, so it becomes snowman. So in written exercise 10, what we will do is, we will combine the two names and make some good compound nouns. And when you make the compound nouns, you will write the new compound noun in the lines given to you. So first one is tooth. Now what can you add to tooth so that it becomes one? Now with tooth, you have a toothpaste. So toothpaste. So first one you will write toothpaste. After that, with table. Now think what will come with table. Table paper? Table coat? No. Table body? No. Table brush? Now paste has gone with tooth. So tablecloth? Yes. Tablecloth is the cloth you put on the table. So the second one you will write tablecloth. Now the third one, rain. So rain paper. Do you have something called rain paper? Do you have something called raincoat? Yes. So raincoat. Now snow. What will come with snow? Snowman we did. You can have more compound nouns with snow also. But here there is no man. So now let's say snow. Snow paper, no. Snow coat, snow body, snow brush, snow cloth, Snow White. Snow White was the name of the girl whom you read the story about, Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. So Snow White is the third one. Then news. Newspaper. Have you heard of newspaper? It comes in the morning and your father and mother read the newspaper. Now you see news is one and paper is one. They get combined and you say newspaper. Hair. Now with hair, hair coat. Hair body. Hair brush. Hair brush is the next one. Now with no. Nobody. Nobody called me. So no and body. Sun. Now what is left? See what is left. Sunlight. Sunlight is already together. So last one is sunlight. So read the names that you've written. Toothpaste, tablecloth, raincoat, Snow White, newspaper, hairbrush, nobody, and sunlight. Now for homework, you will find out 6 more compound nouns and write it. Do this for your homework. And tomorrow we'll discuss what everybody's written. So you can read out your answers tomorrow. Okay? And if you can, you make sentences with any 5 or any 2. You can even do 1 or 2 compound nouns. Just make 1 or 2 sentences in your notebook. Now written exercise 11 is very interesting. You just have to think of one word. It makes you feel cool. The last 2 letters are A-N. So what makes you feel cool? You can cook in it. What do you cook in?